Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dolon and thank you for watching my channel. Today I have another common recipe. It's samosas, everybody's favorite. I mean, I've cooked this all my life and I've got 3 children and they've had this all the time. So any problems, always do let me know, comment below. Okay, so let's start cooking. Thank you. For the samosa filling, I've got here 1 kilo of chicken mince meat, washed and drained. Okay, so for this we'll need a pan and we'll go straight frying, but just before I go into frying, I'll show you. Later on we'll use these atta pads. These are samosa wrapping. So these are made of atta and I like this color because it's got a texture of brown, it's not the white ones. So I've got the peas here, got the green capsicum, green pepper, I've got bay leaves, I've got some finely cut onions here, about 2 onions, which I'll add later on in the frying. And then I've got the other ingredients, coriander, chilies, ginger, the salt and everything. And now once we fry, I'll show you as I go along. All right, so let's get frying. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the mince meat, the chicken mince meat. I'll put a teaspoon of garlic paste, pinch of jeera, whole jeera, and meethi, large onion here. 2 teaspoons of salt, so just 2 teaspoons of ginger, and we'll mix, and we'll add the mince meat. So this is the filler for the samosas, the filling. As we go along we'll add and it will cook more. But now we're just going to leave all this for about 7-8 minutes. Now this has been cooking for 10 minutes. Let's see. And it's fully cooked. Now what I'm going to do is add the green pepper, the green peas, and then let this cook for about 7-8 minutes. So leave this on gas, low gas, for about 10 minutes. Let's have a look. All cooked. Coriander leaves. So just so it smells nice. And that's it. It's all ready to go in the samosa. Okay, so here we have the samosa stuffing. The fillings for the samosa. It's all cooked. This is just 1 egg. And these are the samosa wraps that we can buy from any local shop. So I'm going to pull out 2. So you can see 2 for double wrap. And then we just make 1. It's very easy to make. So you can see I've made a pocket, an envelope. Just put the stuffing in. So that's the stuffing. And then just close it. So I'm just going to glue it again. So now I'm just going to tighten this up. Make sure each corner is wrapped in tight. So I've made 1. Okay. So we'll just make a few more. So here I've done the samosas, now it's time to fry them. Okay, here we are. We have the oil heated up for the samosas and I've got a deep pan for this one. Yep, so it's all ready. We'll put the samosas in. Now this needs to be fried. As you know, the inside is already cooked from the filling and everything. So just the wrapper needs to be cooked, which will only take about 2-3 minutes on both sides. Okay, so this is all done. I'll just take it off. Now this is all ready for serving. So here we are, finally all ready. Samosas all fried, crunchy and looking all puffed. So do try them at home. Let me know how it goes and don't forget forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you.